E-GRADE products will provide value for our customer by providing a higher purity product with strict quality control, which allows them to use the product more readily.
We are building this new E-GRADE unit, or EGU, at Conroe. This is a dedicated manufacturing unit for our E-GRADE products. And also, it's not just the facility, but also like the procedures that we developed and need to follow to make sure that we are not introducing contamination to our products.
For a lot of AI capability, they really need special chips that can accommodate for added those machine learning algorithm calculation algorithm associated with AI. And your smartphone is getting smarter and smarter, right? So all those are driving the need for additional chips. We're just kind of following this mega trend and make sure we build that capability that can continue growth with our customer.